how to get free trial in Amazon Prime Video and TV. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to get free trial in Amazon Prime Video and TV. So to get started, visit the official Amazon Prime Video website and look for the Start Your Free Trial button. Once you are there, click on Start Your Free Trial button to begin the sign up process. If you already have an Amazon account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have one, you'll need to create a new account by entering your basic details, such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Once your account is set up, Amazon will ask for your payment information. Even though you need to enter a valid payment method, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Amazon typically offers a 30-day free trial for new users, allowing full access to its vast entertainment library. If you're a student, you can take advantage of Prime Student, which extends the trial period to 6 months. Once your trial is active, you can start streaming unlimited content, downloading videos for offline viewing, and even enjoy additional perks like free shipping on eligible Amazon purchases. To avoid any charges, make sure to cancel your subscription before the trial ends. You can do this by go to Account and Settings, then select the Your Account tab. For a Prime Video only subscription, select End Subscription. Prime Video is also included with an Amazon Prime membership. To cancel an Amazon Prime membership, under Prime Membership, select Edit on Amazon. Any additional subscriptions tied to your Amazon Prime or Prime Video membership do not renew once your Amazon Prime membership ends. That's it, and thanks. I will catch you all in the next video.